How to fix iPhone notification problems, step-by-step guide. Force restart your device. Press and release the volume up button on your iPhone's left side. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the side button and wait for the iPhone to load. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Check notification settings. In the Settings app, go to Notifications. Select the app you want to enable the notifications. Turn on the Allow Notifications option. Disable the focus mode. Swipe from the top right corner to see the control center. Locate the focus mode icon and tap on the control to turn it off. Disable notification summary. Open the Settings app and tap Notification. Then, tap on Scheduled Summary. Next to Schedule Summary, toggle the switch to disable the option. Check if low power and low data mode are turned off. To disable the low power mode, open Settings and go to Battery. Next to Low Power Mode, ensure the slider is off. To disable the low data mode for Wi-Fi, open Settings and go to Wi-Fi. Tap on the info icon next to your connected Wi-Fi. Disable Low Data Mode. Restart network connection. Swipe from the top right corner. Tap the airplane icon to enable the feature. Wait for a few seconds and turn it off. Turn on the background app refresh. Go to Settings and select General. Tap on Background App Refresh. Toggle the switch to turn on Background App Refresh for your app. Update your iPhone. Open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. Reinstall the app. Select and hold the app icon until a quick menu appears. From the menu, select Remove App. Tap Delete App and confirm the action by tapping Delete. Now, open the App Store and look for the app you deleted. Download the app again. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app and select General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and tap Reset all settings. Enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.